Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So today we are going to start a new topic, a new subject, which is atmospheric science. So step by step we'll be proceeding in a similar way like we have done all the other topics, all the other subjects. So first, the first series of videos will be basic introductory. So in this first video we'll discuss the basic introduction to atmospheric science. So here we'll discuss the basic introduction to atmospheric science, which introduces atmospheric science as the study of Earth's atmosphere and its various processes involved. So basically it involves meteorology, climatology, atmospheric physics and chemistry, because atmospheric science is basically a combination of all these things. So the key concepts that will be involved, which obviously will be meteorology and climatology, which involves weather and climate, the composition of the atmosphere, the importance of various atmospheric gases and greenhouse gases, and the historical development of meteorology. So first, before discussing all that, what is atmosphere? So atmosphere is basically an envelope of gases, a layer of gases which coat or which kind of cover a celestial body, in this case Earth. Now that celestial body or Earth is held in that place by that object's gravity. So Earth's gravity is holding itself in particular place, and that is it moves around Earth, moves around Sun, and the uh, Earth's atmosphere, it is held in that place by that the gravitational force of Earth. So it's the gravitational force of Earth which holds the Earth's atmosphere. So the atmosphere basically it acts as a protective bubble that provides, first of all, most importantly, breathable air. It regulates the climate and shields the life on Earth from harmful solar radiation and space objects, asteroids, debris, everything. So that is the main objective of atmosphere, to sustain life on Earth. Now there are different layers in the atmosphere. We'll be discussing them in detail in the upcoming videos. Here for now, just for the sake of intro here, Earth's atmosphere, it extends up to 10,000 kilometers upward, and it is divided into 5 primary layers. Now we can categorize them in terms of various aspects, but here for the lowest layer, which is the troposphere, where all the weather phenomena occurs. Then on top of that we have stratosphere, which contains the ozone layer, which blocks the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Then we have mesosphere, where the meteors they burn up in that layer. Then the thermosphere, which is the location of auroras and different the International Space Station. And then we have the exosphere, which is the outermost extremely thin layer which gradually fades into the space. So what is atmospheric science? So atmospheric science basically refers to the study of physical, chemical and dynamical aspects of Earth's atmosphere. So it is the description and understanding of various atmospheric phenomena associated with Earth. So basically it involves the structure, composition, the physical processes, the chemical processes, the motion and interaction of all the things that are associated, such as ocean, land and living organisms, and how they interact with each other to cause various atmospheric phenomena. So it explains how the atmosphere or the various atmospheric processes they produce weather, climate, winds, cloud formation, rainfall patterns, storm formation, monsoons, climate change and various other things. So It is always used in a broad sense, atmospheric science. Now there are various subcategories of atmospheric science. Now they are atmospheric physics, atmospheric chemistry, meteorology, climatology. We can broadly classify them into these four categories. So the main areas of atmospheric science, they are meteorology, which is the study of weather and short-term atmospheric changes, climatology, which is the study of long-term climate patterns, atmospheric physics, which is the study of physical processes like radiation, pressure, temperature, atmospheric chemistry, which studies the chemical composition and reactions in the atmosphere, dynamic meteorology, which is the motion of air and forces which cause winds, and synoptic meteorology, which is weather forecasting using weather maps and various other instrumentation. So here, like I said, the main idea is to define atmospheric science and its scope, the importance of weather and climate, and the monitoring of weather and climate. Then here we'll try to describe atmosphere as a fluid system and define its relationship between the atmosphere, ocean, land and biosphere. The four main things. We have the atmosphere, air, ocean, which is water, land and biosphere, the human life. How they interact to form the various atmospheric phenomena or phenomena in Earth. Now, the various atmospheric phenomena, they can be understood in terms of some basic laws of physics. So mainly three. We have fluid dynamics, radiation and thermodynamics. Now every atmospheric phenomena, it will involve either fluid dynamics, radiation or thermodynamics. So something related with the atmospheric process, it will come from one of these three important laws of physics. Okay, so this is the basic study of atmosphere, the basic introduction to atmospheric science. So we first understood the key concepts, then we understood the definition of atmosphere, basic introduction to the layers in atmosphere, the definition of atmospheric science and the main areas of atmospheric science, and the main ideas and the laws, basic laws of physics that are involved in the study of atmospheric science. Okay, so this